Second Shumang Leela workshop, organized by Manipur State Shumang Leela Council, has commenced today at Iboyaima Shumang Leela Sanglen. The month-long residential workshop, which focuses on the traditional theme of Moirang Parva, will be held till August 19. Joint Director of the Department of Art and Culture, G. Dharmadas Sharma, and President of Manipur State Shumang Leela Council, Hawaibam Buddhi, attended the inaugural function as presidium members. Addressing the gathering, G. Dharmadas Sharma expressed a strong desire to establish a dedicated traditional school of Shumang Leela. Urging participating artists to make the most of the training, he assured them that the state government would extend all possible assistance to support the traditional art form. Highlighting the scope of the program, Project Director Saugrakpam Hemanta noted that while restoring the ancient forms of Shumang Leela in their exact original essence remains challenging, the workshop series initiated by late Padma Shri Nabawarepa has successfully nurtured and produced a new generation of talented artists. Over the course of the month, prominent experts and veteran resource persons from the fields of Shumang Leela and theatre will deliver specialized training across various disciplines to the participants.
Shumang Leela se mina kalo Manipuri se Moirang Parva ki paring pathap to ek khang ko tabda Shumang Leela se kam ling saura all over India da natraga international da akoi ki fight to way out theater form amani hai se me am khamner ko apam ne madu sumhan ji ko aduna oza nabana hek oza sina minguna panjare ko oza se ne ek har ko ki Moirang Parva tradition na har bi ji nung gi ko han tuk se masa ko na sini magi kungul liba matamda yang kana thiba